I got myself a portable butane, the portable gas, and I bought a little attachment for it, for the grill, and instead of those stupid bottles. And look at, making beautiful pork chops. Woo, look how nice that is. On the Weber Q1200. I just have it on medium temperature, and I have my real nice brush, and I put it, I just went to one of those the Blue Rhino swap places, put it in a milk crate so I could pick it up, put it in, and I just ordered it off of Home Depot where I got the grill. This adapter, this propane adapter hose, so much easier for me than those little bottles. I tried 2 of those bottles. It just, every time you got to take them off. So very nice.